Everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix if you cannot use the content error on your PlayStation 5 Pro. And it's very easy to restore the licenses for that content as well. So just go over the game or application that may have like a lock symbol on it and press options on it. And then if we go on down, there will be an option to restore the license for that game specifically right here. Just go ahead and just select this. And this sometimes fixes content that you cannot use. And if you do it individually with one game, it's going to be a lot quicker than if you do them all. So you can see it's updating right here. It's at 20 seconds or 20% right now. And it does take a little bit of time. So if we back out and we go up to the top to settings, we can go to here and then go down to where it says users and accounts. Then go down to other and then go to the right. And we can see the options to restore the licenses for all the content right here. Just select it and then go to the right. And then you should be able to update that. So if you are having a problem with downloadable content that you have, try restoring the licenses. Now, another one to fix the content you can't use is console sharing offline play. Maybe you're disconnected from the internet and you're not able to play. Well, if you don't have your PlayStation 5 Pro selected as the primary console, you're not going to be able to play offline. So allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. And this will also share PlayStation Plus and all your games to all additional accounts on your PS5 Pro. So it says disabled on mine. Yours should say enabled. Now, if you can't enable it, you may have another PS5 with this already activated. So you're going to have to disable it on that PS5 first and then come to your PS5 Pro and enable it right here. So that should help you as well. Another thing is signing out of your account and then signing back in if you're having an issue. Try signing out right here. Remember your email address and your password. I know this has helped me a few times with just some random glitches here and there. So we could try that. Press the PlayStation button as well. And we could just simply try logging out of our account and then logging back in. Or clearing the cache on our PlayStation 5 by completely turning it off and then unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. So those are some simple fixes for your problem with cannot use content. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.